What's up guys, welcome to another tech video. If you have just unboxed your Redmi Note 7 and if you're wondering where the Google Play Store is, let me tell you, this phone does not come with Google Play Store. Yes, that's right, but there is a way around, and in this video I will show you how to install Google Play Store in Redmi Note 7. Plus there is another issue I would like to highlight, and that's the notification issue. A lot of people have said that the phone does not show notifications for the installed apps, which is true. The phone does not give permissions to the apps by default. You have to enable the notifications for each app, and I will show you how to do that, so stay tuned. When you start using your new Redmi Note 7, you have to go in the Redmi's App Store, which is the orange icon over here. As soon as you open this, you'll notice it's all in Chinese, so we go in the search bar on the top. Then you'll see it's a different type of keyboard layout, so right next to the search button, this icon obviously says in Chinese, but if you press that, you'll notice it will change the keyboard layout. So all we have to do is type in Google and press search. Now you won't be able to see Google Play Store anywhere here in the search results, so all you have to do is go right to the bottom, and at the bottom you'll see some Chinese written right at the bottom. So you press that and it will take you to another screen. Over here you'll see you've got Google Play Store, and right at the top you'll see another Google Play Store type icon. So we have to use this file to install. What it does, it installs the Google Play and Play services, everything. So this is the installer file. It installs everything for you, all the required apps it will install. So let's press install. Okay, so once this is installed, you just open this, and over here you have to, it's all in Chinese, so don't worry about it. You just have to press this blue circle, which probably means start. So I'll just press this. Now it will start installing, and okay, so it's saying for your security your phone isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So we go in settings, just enable allow from this source, and we go back and we just start installing all the apps this recommends. For example, Google Services Framework installed, done. Okay, Google Account Manager install. So once it stops installing, you'll find Google Play Store on the second page, and there we are, it's all installed. Now you can sign in and start installing your apps. Another issue what a lot of people face in Redmi Note 7 is it doesn't show you notifications by default. So all you have to do, I don't have many apps installed over here at the moment, but I will show you how it's done. So you go in settings and you go in permissions, then go in permissions again. Now you got all your apps listed here, So for example, well, once you start installing your apps like WhatsApp Messenger or Facebook, so just go into your installed app. Let's go into, for now, let's go into mail. So over here, let's say if you log in into your go into your WhatsApp permissions, you'll see by default is got a red mark on. So once you install your WhatsApp or Facebook, all you have to do is go into permissions and go right to the bottom, and under the settings tab, just switch everything on. So if you click over here and press accept, then you'll see this green tick come on. We'll go into the show on lock screen, say accept, display pop-up window. Obviously if you'll have to enable this as well for it to show notifications on the screen. So display pop-up, accept, and that's it, all configured. And you can go through other permissions as well over here, but these are the main important ones which were related to notification issues. So let's say if it was WhatsApp, now WhatsApp will start showing you notifications on your screen. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.